Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Variables Pairs 3.2, writing more equations. We're going to be able to write simple rules and equations for two different scenarios. Remember that rules are using words to get a solution. Distance is equal to 20 times the number of hours, and equations is going to be shortening that up to letters and variables. D equals 20H. All right, Liz tells Theo that they want to visit Wild World. They're going to look at special prices for large groups. So we're going to have two different scenarios. Let's look above the line. For if you just wanted to buy individual tickets, it's going to cost $21 per person. So if I want to figure out a rule for buying individual tickets, I know that the cost is going to be equal to the number of people. Cost is equal to the $21 times the number of people. Put that down, please, in your notes. Cost is equal to the 21 times the number of people. Our equation is going to be very simple to that, but we're going to just use letters and numbers. So instead of cost, we're going to put C is equal to, so we put an equal sign. Next is $21, so I'm going to put 21 times the number of people. Well, I'm going to choose N for number of people, so I'm just going, and I know that when I put a letter right next to a variable, that means multiply. So cost is equal to 21 times the number of people. That shortens down to C equals 21N. Our rule for buying group tickets is going to be cost is equal to, and let's look at this. Cost is equal to, well, they're going to charge me $50. $50. Okay, so it's not $50 per person. They're just going to charge me $50. Plus, okay, so I'm adding here, plus $10 per group member. Okay, $10 times the number of people. So if I wanted to figure this out, just like up above, I did 21 times the number of people because it was $21 per person. And this one says $10 per group member, so I'm going to take $10 times the number of people. Shortening that down to an equation, cost is C, is equal to, that's an equal sign, $50, I'm just going to take 50, and then it says plus, so I'm going to write that in, plus $10, 10, times the number of people. Remember, it's multiplication, so I'm just going to write 10n. Put that down in your notes, please. All right. Our rule for buying group tickets was cost is equal to $50 plus 10 times the number of people. So if I have 5 people coming, I'm going to multiply 5 times 10 and then add 50. If I have 50 people coming, 10 times 50 plus 50. So right here, they're asking us to find the price for admission for a group of 20 people. Okay, so I'm going to take 20 and put it right in here for N. So I have 20 times the number times 10 first. So I'm going to rewrite that. C equals 50 plus, and I'm going to put this in parentheses, 10, similar to right here, 10 times 20. Okay. I know that that shortens down, this right here, 10 times 20, that shortens down to 200. I can actually figure that out right now. Now I have C equals 50 plus 200. So I know my cost right now. I can shorten that up. C equals 250 or $250. So for 20 people to get in, that's going to cost me $250 at this special group rate. Now, what I want you to do is the same for 35 people and for 42 people. So on your paper, I want you to rewrite that equation, but I want you to put in $35, or 35 people. And then I want you to put in 42 people. So to take the time right now to do that, go through the process, multiply it first, and then add. That would be order of operations. For A2, describe in words how you can calculate the admission price. You already got it. It's right here, our rule. That's how you figure out in words to figure out the admission price for any number of people. So I want you to take that rule and I want you to copy it down here. That's how you describe in words. So ladies and gentlemen, finish this up, and then I want you to finish up your worksheet. If you have any additional questions, please make sure to ask. Otherwise, we will see you bright and early tomorrow. Have a great day.